Hello everybody, welcome back to Afaq E Academy. I am Mohd Afaq. सबसे पहले तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखना, लाइक भी करना, शेयर भी करना और अगर कोई डाउट या सुझाव हो तो वीडियोस पर कमेंट भी करना. As you have seen in thumbnail in this video, I am going to continue class 9th chapter linear equation in two variables where we were studying in previous videos solution of linear equations in two variables, and we had done many examples from NCERT book. Now I have taken some examples from the Rd Sharma book and three examples I have written on the whiteboard, and now I am going to solve these. And after this I will see some questions from NCERT exercise. If some difficult questions I found, I will do that also. So let's start. Here I have written three examples from Rd Sharma book. Example number 4. If x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 is a solution of the equation a square x plus ay equal to 2, find the value of a. Find the value of a. Okay. Now I solve. What we will do in solution? We will put x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 in the given equation. So we can write the given equation a square x plus a by minus 2 equal to 0. Now what we do? We will putting we will put x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 in the equation. So putting what we get, x is 1 a square plus 2a minus 2. Now what we see, what we have found the quadratic equation in variable a, and we have to find the value of a. So what is the discriminant or d, capital D? If you have studied the quadratic equation, you will know what is capital D and how its roots will be real. So this is the question of class 9. So there is more possibility that this equation will have real solution. If you know the formula d equal to under root b square minus 4ac, if you have, perhaps you will study this in class 10th, so it will be new to class 9th. How we will check its roots are real? Although we are studying this equation in class 9th, so equation will be most probably in matlab roots of the equation will be most probably real. So now I check, you don't know this formula but I know it. 4 plus 8 which is equal to under root 12 greater than 0, and which is real, not imaginary. You don't know imaginary numbers, you will study imaginary numbers and complex numbers in class 11th. So it is factorizable. Now what we do, factor 1 into minus 2, and we have to break the 2 in such two parts that sum or difference, although there is negative sign, then there should be difference. X equal to 1 and y equal to 2 is the solution. D निकाला मैंने, b square minus 4ac and 4 plus 4 2 is 8 equal to root 12. And how can this break this product to be minus 2 and difference be? It is not factorizable. I think we have put in the value 1, okay, 2 minus 2. We have take stop a second. I check the solution. It is by factorization or by Oh, there is some mistake in the question. That's why I think why I have to use Sridharacharya formula. We don't need to use Sridharacharya formula if the coefficient is sorry coefficient not coefficient value of C is -3. It is written wrong by a mistake -3. Now 4 3s are 12 root 16. Okay, which is greater than 0. Now it is factorizable and we can do factors easily, and we have to take minus. So 1 into -3, how do we do factors? 1 into -3 is -3. Then the 3a minus a, 3 minus 1, 2, 3 into -1 -3 equal to 0, and we remove it from here and we take common. A is common, a plus 3 is here, -1 is common, a plus 3 equal to 0. So what we get, a plus 3 common, and what is remained, a minus 1 equal to 0. From here a plus 3 equal to 0 and a minus 1 equal to 0. So what we get, a equal to -3 and a equal to 1 is the solution. What we get, two values of a. So question ends here. Example number 4 solution. Example number 4. Next we do example number 5. If x equal to 2k minus 1 and y equal to k is a solution of the equation 3x minus 5 by minus 7 equal to 0, find the value of k. What we have to do, we have to simply put the value of x and y in the equation, and solving the equation we will get, simplifying the equation we will get quadratic equation in two variables. And we have already studied the factorization of algebraic 2-degree polynomial. If you have studied from Rd Sharma, you will have studied algebraic factorizations, and if you haven't studied from Rd Sharma, you will have studied it in perhaps class 8. And now before solving the problems, we should know all the basics required to solve the problem. Now I am putting the value of x in the given equation. What we get, 3 into 2k minus 1 minus y into k and minus 7 equal to 0. Now we solve it. Is it quadratic? Sorry, I had spoken it will be quadratic, but it is not quadratic, it is linear. So we can simply solve it multiplying 3, 6k minus 3 minus 5k minus 7 equal to 0. Questions are very simple. 6k minus 5k हुआ k, and minus 7 minus 3 minus 10 equal to 0, and k equal to 10. 1 second, I check the answers. If I have got the right answers, a equal to -3 and 1 and k equal to 10. Okay, I solved correctly. Now I solve question number 5. Example number 6. Sorry, question number 5 I spoke. It is solution of example number 6. If here we will get quadratic equation, here is k square. This was linear equation, and equation is very simple. Quadratic is already quadratic. It will be in the biquadratic. K पे power 4 आएगा. Then we have to solve taking. Let's see how it is solved. First of all, we put the value of x equal to k square minus 5 into k y is k plus 6 equal to 0, and k स्क्वायर पे पहले से k स्क्वायर था, तो ये बन गया है k पे पावर 4. तो k पे पावर 4 और माइनस 5k प्लस 6 इक्वल टू 0. k पे पावर 4 minus 5k plus 6 equal to 0. sorry, there is a mistake again in writing the question. It is not x square, it is only x. How can we get the pi quadratic in class 9? It is k square, and we don't need to write it again. We have to simply find the solution by algebraic factorization. We don't need to use Dharacharya. If D is, you don't know D what ways, you will know it in class 9, 10, class 10 or any class 11 perhaps. 25 minus 4 6 are 24 equal to 1 greater than 0, so it is all simply factorizable. What we have to do, add uh, 2 3s are 6, 6 into 1 6, 2 3s are 6, minus 2k and minus 3k is minus 5k, minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6 equal to 0. And what we get from here, k we do common, k minus 2 minus 3, took the common, k minus 2 equal to 0, and what we get, k minus 2 common and k minus 3 equal to 0. From here what we get, k minus 2 equal to 0 and k minus 3 equal to 0. From here k equal to 2 and k equal to 3 is the answer. In the next video, so videos become very large, and in the next video I will do some NCERT questions from the exercise if I get some difficult questions. And questions are very simple if you know the concept first. With examples clearly, questions become very easy of class 9th standard. So video को end करते हैं, and if you have come here till last, thanks for watching the video till the end, and goodbye and keep studying.